Hello, good morning, students. Um, Please tell me, my sound is coming properly or not? Students, please tell the sound is coming properly, yes or not? Yes, okay, good. Hello, good morning, students. Hope you all are well at your home. Okay, yesterday I was started your new exercise, which is based on equation of line. Okay, that is a part of the coordinate geometry. But in the last year, when you check your Selena publication book, this chapter is separated, given in our last year books. Okay, but now this year it is together with coordinate geometry. Okay, so this is the very simple chapter, but here is the so many concept will become. Okay, and if you will not learn all the concept, so surely you will face the problem. But I believe to you, मैं विश्वास दिलाता हूँ कि ये चैप्टर बहुत इजी है सर, अगर आपने सही से किया. ठीक है, और चैप्टर में इतना कुछ है नहीं, देख लेना जब सवाल करेंगे, बाकी बहुत इजी चैप्टर है, ध्यान से देखना. ठीक है, नाउ यस्टरडे आई explain some property based on the equation of line. One is the slope. Okay, slope. First I explain inclination. What is the inclination? Okay, that is the angle between the line and x-axis. Suppose this is our x-axis and one line is crossing our x-axis and you are measuring the direction, means पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन लिखा होगा आपके पास. देखो यहाँ पे एक बार फिर से ध्यान से सुनो, लिसन इट प्रॉपरली. इफ दिस इज द क्वाड्रेंट इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, x axis, y axis, y negative and x negative, equation line L, and this line is subtended an angle. Let's suppose this is theta. Okay, let's suppose this is theta. So this angle is known as angle of inclination. Angle of inclination. Okay, and this angle we are measuring in the positive direction of x axis. This is y. तो लेफ्ट साइड y इट इज x डैश एक्सिस, यहाँ पर सॉरी x डैश एंड y डैश. ओके, तो लेफ्ट साइड इज नेगेटिव एंड राइट साइड इज पॉजिटिव. तो व्हेन यू विल चेक योर बुक, तो समटाइम्स इट इज गिवन इन योर बुक द एंगल इज ऑलवेज मेजर्ड इन द पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ द x एक्सिस. इट मींस राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द y एक्सिस, मींस इन दिस डायरेक्शन x इज पॉजिटिव एंड मेजरमेंट इज ऑलवेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ओके, यहां पे अगर आपका प्रोटेक्टर है, सपोज यू आर प्लेसिंग योर प्रोटेक्टर एट दिस प्लेस, तो इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0, देन 10, 20, 30, 40 in this direction, and this direction is anti-clockwise direction. And when you are measuring your angle of inclination in anti-clockwise direction, so that time theta will be positive. Listen this thing, that time theta will be positive. And sometimes if you are calculating your angle, tell me what is this angle, what is the value of this angle? This will be 180 minus theta. Now but this time when we measure this angle, and suppose you are measuring this angle in clockwise direction, in this way, so that time, and this is our clockwise direction, so theta we will take negative at this time. Okay, yesterday I forget to explain this concept. So listen this thing, whenever you are measuring your inclination in anti-clockwise direction, so that time theta always be positive, and whenever you are taking your theta in the clockwise direction, you are measuring the angle in clockwise direction, so that time theta will be negative. Okay, so yesterday I solved and explained this concept of the inclination. Next, स्लोप आई ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन, स्लोप m इज इक्वल टू टेन थीटा, ये किसको भी ध्यान रखना, m इज इक्वल टू टेन थीटा, दिस इज द स्लोप. yesterday I already explained point slope form. When you have given 2 point, so then how can you calculate the slope? So that time slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This one also I explained in your previous classes. Okay sir, now today 2 topics are remaining, when the 2 lines are parallel, and second one is okay. Now 2 topics are remaining, one is when the 2 lines are parallel, and the second is when the 2 lines are perpendicular to each other. So then after that I will start your exercise. Okay, so then next concept, when 2 lines are parallel, so what is the relation between their slope? Suppose this is the first line and second line, and both lines are parallel to each other. Let this line is L and this line is LP. Okay, and let the slope of this line is M1 and let the slope of this line is M2. Okay, yeah, otherwise we can use the quadrant method also. Okay, then first line which is denoted by L, okay, and the another line which is denoted by M, and suppose the both lines are parallel to each other, so the angle subtended by this line and angle subtended by this line, so let the angle subtended by this line is theta, and let the angle subtended this by angle line is alpha. Okay, alpha is notation of any angle. Here is theta, so I am using the different angle alpha. You can take any another angle A, B, C, D. Okay, now the 2 lines are parallel. Do you know that when the 2 lines are parallel, okay, so then what is the relation between these 2 angle? So these 2 are the corresponding angle. Transversal line, 2 line are parallel, so these 2 angle will be equal because these are corresponding angle, because 2 lines are parallel here. So for the line M, let its slope, line is P, let its slope is L line, its slope is M1, and let the line L2 P, its slope is M2. Okay, so slope of line M1, okay, so slope of line L, so it is denoted by M1. So M1 is equal to, when you have given inclination, so that time we can use M is equal to directly tan theta. So M is equal to 10, and what is the angle here? Angle is alpha. Next, second time, slope for line P, so M2, its slope is denoted by M2, so slope is equal to 10 and angle is theta. Now since lines are parallel, since L is parallel to P, so therefore angle subtended, these 2 angles are the corresponding angle for the 2 parallel lines, so therefore theta will be equal to alpha. So can we replace this alpha by theta? Yeah, can we replace this theta by alpha? We can replace anyone. So suppose that this become 10 theta, alpha replaced by theta, so M1 is equal to 10 theta and M2 also 10 theta. So therefore directly we can write M1 is equal to M2. So the statement is here, the property is here, when the 2 lines are parallel, so their slope will be equal. Okay, remember this point, when the 2 lines are parallel, so their slope will be equal. So now tell me, this is the quadrant, x-axis, equilateral triangle, let it is an equilateral triangle, it is this line, this side A, B, C, side BC of equilateral triangle, BC side is parallel to x-axis. The question is what is the slope of BC? Can you tell me what is the slope of BC? Please. send your answer in the comment section. What is the slope of BC? Zero. Very good. Any another students? Zero. Good. Okay, very good. Zero is the slope. Okay, here in the last lecture I explained what is the slope of the x-axis. The slope of x-axis is slope of x-axis is equal to 0 degree. The slope of x-axis is 0 degree. So if any line which is parallel to the x-axis, so this slope of that line also 0 degree. The slope of BC is equal to 0 degree. Slope of BC is equal to 0 degree. Okay, sir. Next, the case of the perpendicular line. The case of perpendicular line. So when the two lines are perpendicular. And one more thing, maybe your first semester examination online. Okay, it will be conducted online. Maybe in the end of this month or next month. Okay, so before 20 or 20 days we will inform to you about your online examination. Okay, अगर for example यही situation पूरे साल भर रहती है, suppose that the same situation is follow whole over year. Okay, तो then your online examination will be prefer. Okay, तो जितने भी एग्जाम होते हैं सारे बच्चे कंडक्ट एग्जाम देना, क्योंकि वो रिकॉर्ड बनना है सर. पिछली बार का एग्जाम भी हो रखे हैं, उसका भी रिकॉर्ड है हम लोगों के पास. अब बहुत सारे बच्चों ने पेपर नहीं दे रखे और ना दे रहे हैं, तो आगे प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो सकती है. ठीक है, हाँ, तो सबको बोल भी देना सर. और अटेंडेंस भी है मैंडेटरी. ठीक है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की. तो देखो नेक्स्ट when the two lines are perpendicular, to each other. Okay, suppose that this is the quadrant, this is our quadrant. One line which is L, another line it is M, this is M, and let the angle between the both lines is 90 degree. One line and second line L and M, let its slope is M1 and let the slope of this line is M2, and both are intersecting to each other at 90 degree, means at the case of the perpendicular they are intersecting to each other. Okay, so what is the relation between their slopes? So the relation between their slope is M1 into M2 is equal to -1. M1 into M2 is equal to -1. So you can check your Selena book. Okay, या यू कैन चेक योर प्रेजेंट बुक. ओके, जो अभी चल रही है उसमें दोनों में इसका प्रूफ भी दे रखा है. तो हाउ कैन वी प्रूव दिस थिंग? द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दियर स्लोप M1 into M2 is equal to -1. M1 is equal to M2 is equal to -1, because it is given in 3-4 steps. You can check it, sir. Okay, otherwise you can freely ask to me. So this is the relation when the two lines are perpendicular. So then product M1 M2 in M1 product of their slope M1 into M2 is equal to -1. So learn these two concepts. When the two lines are parallel, so their slope are equal. When the two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slope is equal to -1. Product of their slope is equal to -1. Now yesterday I given some question, exercise first, question number 1 and 2 as a homework. Okay, as a homework, but no one sent their homework in WhatsApp group. तो it means शायद नहीं किया होगा किसी ने. तो question number exercise 11B. Exercise 11B. This is our question number 1. Question number 1. Okay, first part is the simple, second also simple. I am taking any one part. Question number first C. The angle is 60 degree. And now read the question it carefully. Look at in your book. Find the slope of the line. Find the slope of the line whose inclination to the positive direction of the x-axis. Positive direction means I told to you positive direction. Y-axis, then after that right hand side of the y-axis it is positive direction of the x-axis. Okay, in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction means suppose this is the quadrant, here right side of the y-axis this is our positive direction of the x-axis, and the angle is 60 degree of any line whose inclination, a line whose inclination is 60 degree. And one thing is given in your book, in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction means the measurement of the angle in anti-clockwise direction means right to left आपका measurement हो रहा है anti-clockwise direction. तो this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. So question, now yesterday I explained two form of the slope. One is inclination form and the second one is point form, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So we can use this equation in this question because theta is directly given here. So theta is equal to 60 degree. So slope m is equal to tan 60 degree. Okay, तो tan 60 की वैल्यू √3, tan 30 याद कर लेना, tan 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री 10 because 10 degree is using in this whole chapter. Okay, 10 0 0, 10 30 1 by √3, 45 1, 60 √3 and 10 90 not defined. 10 90 not defined. So this is the answer of this question, √3. Next question. Now D and E part. To 10 theta is equal to 15 degree. Maybe you are confused in this question. How can we calculate it? So m is equal to 10 15 degree, 10 15. But आपको तो 10 15 की वैल्यू पता ही नहीं है. अब क्या होगा? 10 15 in the next question 10 75 is given here. Okay, so 10 15 and 75, how can we calculate it? It is given in our last of this book. Okay, this table is given in last of the book. But if I want to explain this thing, how can we calculate the value of 10 15 in this time? So sir, it is a completely time waste. So when we will read the trigonometry chapter, so there is a one complete exercise based on this type of the angle, 15 25 22 25.5 या any decimal number angles. So there we will learn how can we calculate the angle of 10 45, yeah, how can we calculate the value of 10 15 degree. Okay sir, is it clear? Okay, now here you can directly write your answer, yeah, otherwise you can neglect this part. But in the trigonometry chapter there is a one complete exercise based on this type of the question. So there we will learn about this concept. Okay, so here we can directly using the answer sheet. M is equal to it is 0.262679. This is the answer. Similarly you can calculate the 75. ठीक है सर, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है ना? डू यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम? डोंट वरी, डोंट बी पैनिक. इन द chapter of trigonometry there is a one complete exercise based on this type of the question. So there we will learn, because there sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, all the three trigonometrical ratio are using there. तो यहाँ पे तो कम से कम समझाने के लिए फिर आधा घंटा पूरा चाहिए, तो फिर वहां भी बताना है, इसलिए बाद ही में देखेंगे. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है ना? रिप्लाई तो कर दिया करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है तो. स्वाति, गुड मॉर्निंग. नेक्स्ट सर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड द स्लोप एंड इंक्लिनेशन. फाइंड द स्लोप एंड इंक्लिनेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Find the slope and inclination of the line through each pair of the following point. Now second point I am taking B part. B. The point is first 0, 0 and second point is √3, 3. This is our question given here. Okay. Now 2 points are given here. And what is the question? Find the slope means M and find the inclination means theta. Find the slope and theta. One relation between M and theta, it is M is equal to tan theta. But nothing is given, so we cannot use this method. Okay. 2 points are given. Yesterday I explained, when you have given the angle, so that time we can use M is equal to tan theta. When you have given the 2 points, so that time we can use the slope formula, M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now here, what is the x1 y1? x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to √3 and y2 is equal to 3. So substituting the value, so m is equal to y2 minus y1, 3 minus √3, sorry 3 minus 0, 3 minus y1 0 upon x2 √3 minus 0, √3 minus 0. कुछ प्रॉब्लम लग रही क्वेश्चन में सर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2, question number 2, second part, 0, 0, √3 and 3. तो दिस विल बी m इज इक्वल टू, अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, 3/√3, दिस विल बी 3/√3. ओके, तो नाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट. m इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज 3/√3. तो स्लोप फिलहाल तो देखो व्हाट इज योर आंसर, आंसर इज √3. तो कैन बी राइट दिस न्यूमिरेटर 3 इन द फॉर्म ऑफ √3 into √3 upon √3, because 3 we can write √3 into √3. Okay, in this format we can write it. Okay, and if you want to √3 and √3, अगर √3 में ही आंसर लिखते हो तो ये करेक्ट नहीं है, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में कभी भी रेशनल नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए. तो सो आई एम चेंजिंग 3 इन द फॉर्म ऑफ √3 into √3. 1 3 कैंसिल, तो m इज इक्वल टू √3. m इज इक्वल टू √3. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट. द second part is find the inclination. So inclination means theta. Now tell me what is the relation between m and theta, since m is equal to tan theta. So by using this math formula we can calculate the theta. So m is equal to, what is the value of m? m is equal to √3 is equal to tan theta. Now किसकी वैल्यू चाहिए, थीटा की वैल्यू चाहिए. तो we can write here theta is equal to tan inverse √3. कहने का मतलब अगर आपके पास है tan theta इज इक्वल टू √3, तो इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, थीटा इज इक्वल टू √3/10, √3/10. तो टेकिंग 10 इन न्यूमरेटर, तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 10 to the power -1, टेकिंग इन न्यूमरेटर एंड √3. तो दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल इनवर्स. दिस इज नोन एज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इनवर्स. तो इन द 11th class you will read, not 11th, in the 12th class you will read the trigonometrical inverse function. Okay, so this is the question here. This is question. Then now tell me theta is equal to tan inverse √3. It means tan theta में √3 किसकी वैल्यू होती है, ऐसा बताना है. 10 में √3 किसकी वैल्यू है, तो 10 में √3 किसकी वैल्यू है, टेल मी फास्ट. 10 30 1/√3, 10/30 1/√3, 45 1 and 60 √3. तो theta is equal to 60 degree. Listen this point properly. 10 inverse √3, this is not your 10 √3. Okay, there is no value, we cannot calculate easily 10 √3, but it is given here 10 inverse √3. It means 10 में √3 किसकी वैल्यू है. अदरवाइज इफ यू हैव गिवन 10 inverse 1, तो 10 inverse 1 मीन्स 10 में 1 किसकी वैल्यू है, इट मीन दिस इज 45 डिग्री, this is 60 degree. So this is the answer, theta is equal to 60 degree. The slope of this line, the slope of the line whose coordinate is given, slope is √3 and angle of inclination is 60 degree. Angle of inclination is 60 degree. So this is the question given in our book. Okay, second type of the question. So I hope you can solve the first question. होप ही कर सकता हूं क्योंकि कल होमवर्क दिया था, किसी ने वर्क सेंड नहीं किया. इट मीन्स मैं होप ही कर सकता हूं कि कर सकते हो, बाकी पॉसिबल पता नहीं. नेक्स्ट सर, क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. द साइड BC ऑफ इनइक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल ABC is parallel to the x-axis, तो what are the slope of its side? तो draw a quadrant, okay, a triangle ABC, this is your x-axis and y-axis, x negative and y negative axis, and it is given the side BC of that equilateral triangle ABC is parallel to the x-axis. Then after that question is write what are the slope of its side. Now listen it, question number 3 and 4 are the same one. Okay, 3 and 4 are the same one. तो any one I am solving and the second part is your homework, में fourth is your homework. Okay, तो so first question, find the slope of all the side of the triangle. तो here are the 3 sides, 1 2 3. तो we can calculate 3 sides slope. तो first slope for BC. Okay, BC. तो since BC is parallel to x-axis, BC is parallel to x-axis. तो therefore slope of x-axis is equal to the slope of line या side, slope of side BC. होगा या नहीं होगा, because both line are parallel, so their slope will be equal. So what is the slope of x-axis? Since slope of x-axis is equal to 0 0 डिग्री. तो व्हाट इज द स्लोप ऑफ लाइन BC? तो देयरफॉर स्लोप ऑफ साइड BC is also 0 degree because their slope are equal. Here is mentioned. Okay. Next one is, next part, find the slope of next two side. Remaining two side is remaining. One is AB and next one is AC. So two sides are remaining and the question is find the slope of all three sides. So one I calculated here. Next, slope of first part. Now second part. Second part. Slope of किसके लिए कैलकुलेट करना है? ए बी के लिए. चलो ठीक है, अब ए बी के लिए बात करते हैं. नाउ फॉर लाइन ए बी, टेल मी हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट द स्लोप? देयर आर द टू मेथड टू फाइंडिंग द स्लोप. m इज इक्वल टू tan theta. Second, m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. But here coordinate are not given here. Coordinate is not given. So we cannot use this method. But you sir बोलोगे कि theta भी तो given नहीं है. No sir. This theta equilateral triangle is given. So theta is equal to 60. This is also 60 degree and upside is also 60 degree. So no need to write this angle because if you want to calculate the slope, ये angle of inclination, so we can use x-axis. You know that inclination we can derive with the help of x-axis. So now this line is not intersecting the x-axis, so we can produce it in the backward direction. So tell me if this line and this line, this side BC and line is parallel, so this angle or this angle will be equal angle. Why? Because they are making a corresponding angle. Because they are making a corresponding angle. So tell me what is the angle subtended by this line AB at x-axis? So that is also 60 degree because lines are parallel. So this is 60. So the angle subtended by this line with x-axis also 60 degree. So therefore theta is equal to we can write 60 degree and theta 60 degree. And now tell me the angle measurement, it is the right side, it is the positive direction of the x-axis and the measurement is anti-clockwise wide. Means when you keep your protractor above this x-axis, so we are measuring the angle from right to left, means anti-clockwise direction. So this time theta will be positive. I already explained at the starting of this class. Okay, so theta will be positive. So m is equal to tan theta. So m is equal to tan 60 degree. So tell me what is the value of 60? Shruti, Swati Rawat, tan 60. What is the tan 60? Tan 60 is √3. This is the slope for line AB. Okay, so slope for line AB is √3. Okay, next third part. अब किसके लिए फाइंड करना है? Now for line, ये साइड, फॉर साइड, यहाँ पे भी साइड लिख देना, फॉर साइड, ये लाइन भी बन रही है, बाद में तो लाइन ही बन रही है सर, फॉर लाइन AC. ओके, नाउ हाउ कैन वी फाइंड द स्लोप? First of all, identify angle. So this is 60. So draw this line in the backward direction and it will be meet with x-axis. It will be meet at x-axis. So this angle is 60. So this interior angle also 60 degree. This interior angle also 60 degree. अब 60 डिग्री. अब एक चीज देखो सर, दिस इज द लाइन एक्स एक्सिस, दिस इज योर एक्स एक्सिस. लिसन इट केयरफुली एंड योर लाइन इज coming in this format. Okay, and this angle is 60 degree. So tell me angle measurement is clockwise या anti clockwise direction? और नहीं भी आता है, if you are unable to understanding about the anti clock and clockwise direction. अब angle देखो सर, now we can identify the angle in this format. In this case angle is positive direction of x axis, so theta will be positive. In this case theta in the positive direction, but in this case theta is negative direction. अगर आपका y axis ये है तो डायरेक्शन x axis ही कहाँ है? लेफ्ट साइड को. It means in this case theta will be negative. या otherwise you can say that the angle measurement is anti-clockwise direction because if you are 60 degree है तो 60 degree वहां से नहीं है, यहाँ से. Okay, तो this time theta will be negative. तो so we can write theta is equal to 60 degree, but here we can use minus 60 degree. Listen this thing, very important thing is given here. Okay, very important thing is given here. Theta is equal to minus 60. So m is equal to slope tan theta. So m is equal to tan and theta is minus 60 degree. Theta is minus 60 degree. So m is equal to, एक फॉर्मूला होता है सर tan minus theta. tan minus theta is equal to minus theta. Only one formula is using here. Only single formula is using here of class 11. Okay, this formula we will introduce, only introduce in our class, we will learn in class 11. Okay, there we will learn different types of the formulas, means maximum up to 100 formulas, but here only one formula is using. तो remember this point, tan minus theta is equal to minus theta. फिलहाल इसको याद रखना, tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. तो therefore m is equal to, minus is coming outside, तो minus, now 10 and 10 and 60 is remaining. Okay, minus is outside, so m is equal to minus 10 60 root 3. So 10, slope of the line, slope of the side AC is equal to, m is equal to minus root 3. Okay, is it clear, sir? Any doubt? Is it clear? Please tell me, is it clear, sir? No? Samarth, what happened? Samarth, any doubt? Yes, sir. What is the doubt? Samarth, please tell me what is your doubt? Samarth, okay, good. चलिए सर, the next one is, and please watch this class regularly because this chapter is very important for your examination. अभी तो सिंपल चीजें हैं, अभी तो आगे आने वाली कुछ चीजें हैं, देखना, ठीक है? तो इसलिए थोड़ा रेगुलर रहना सर, और होमवर्क प्लीज होमवर्क करते रहो, नहीं तो एक एक क्वेश्चन में मुझे बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. ओके, और टाइम भी लिमिटेड है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मैक्सिमम टाइम मिलता हो. चलो सर, तो टेल मी, कैन यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. एक फिगर देख लो, फिगर रेगुलर हेक्सागोन. तो रेगुलर हेक्सागोन मीन्स all 6 sides are equal. Regular hexagon, all 6 sides are equal. All the 6 sides are equal. And A, B, C, D, E, F. This is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, regular hexagon, parallel. AB is parallel to ED. AB is parallel to ED, and ED is parallel to the x-axis. This line is parallel to the x-axis. So x-axis, their y-axis. This is your y-axis. This is your y-axis. Okay, sir. Next, now question: what are the slope of its all the sides? What is the slope of its all the side? So tell me, are you able to solve this question? क्या ये क्वेश्चन को हो जाएगा सर? कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है? बताओ. Please tell me first, can you solve this question? First, ED and AB is the parallel. To what is the slope? ED and AB is the parallel. To what is their slope? Their slope will be equal to x-axis. The slope of x-axis is 0. The slope of ED is equal to 0. Slope of AB is equal to 0 degree. Okay. Now here we need the each interior angle of the hexagon. So tell me, what is the each interior angle of the regular hexagon? What is the each interior angle of the regular hexagon? Tell me first, what is the value of each interior angle of a regular hexagon? Very good, Samarth. 120 degree. Good. Very good. 120 degree. Okay. The each interior angle of the regular hexagon is 120. This means, it means this angle is 120 degree. This angle is, चलो मैं ही बता देता हूँ, 120. This is also 120. This is also 120. This is also 120, and this one also 120. In the last class, in the chapter of the construction, वहाँ पे ये चीजें यूज हुई थी. The regular angle of each interior angle of the regular hexagon is 120 degree. So now how can we calculate it? तो चलो सर, first slope of ED. Slope of ED is equal to slope of AB is equal to slope of x एक्सिस, यहां पे लिख देना सिंस ED is parallel to AB is parallel to x axis, so their slope will be equal to each other. So what is the slope of x axis? You know that the slope of x axis is 0. Since slope of x axis is equal to 0 degree, so therefore slope of ED is also 0 degree. Slope, sorry, not degree, 0. Slope of AB is also 0. तो दो तो निकल गए. This part and this part I solved it, but how can we calculate the remaining part? It is your question. Okay, so first I am starting from CD. तो CD को क्या कर दो? Produce the CD in backward direction. So this angle is 120. So this one angle also 120 degree. This one angle also 120 degree. This one also 120 degree. But the problem is here. आपको 120 की वैल्यू आती नहीं है. That is the problem. आपको तो 120 की वैल्यू आती नहीं है. तो how can we calculate the value of 120? हाँ, -√3. अब ये -√3 कैसे हो गया सर? तो देखो, इफ यू आर अनेबल टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 120 डिग्री, तो कैन यू डू वन थिंग. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एंगल? टेल मी. नॉट -√3. ओके, सॉरी, गलत बोल दिया. दिस इज 120. तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एंगल? This will be 60 degree. Is it clear? This is the straight line 120. So this angle is 60 degree. Any problem? No problem. Very good. Okay. So this is the line CD. So slope for CD. What is the theta? Theta is equal to, you have the two choice. One is 120 degree. Otherwise you can write theta is equal to 60 degree. But देखो, this line is making an angle 60 degree with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, because that is in the positive way, and 120 is in the negative side of the x-axis, so this will be negative. दो problem, theta negative, theta 120, and you are not able to find the value of theta 120. So you can neglect this part. You can use this method also, because चाहे यहाँ से निकालो वहाँ से निकालो, बात एक की है. ठीक है? तो so we can use theta is equal to 60 degree. And theta is right hand side, means in the direction of the positive way, positive x-axis. So it will be positive. So m is equal to tan 60 degree. So tell me sir, what is the value of tan 60? So tan 60 is √3. So this is the slope for CD. CD के लिए slope, इसके लिए slope 0, Next, this line FE is remaining. Now for FE, तो FE के लिए वही, produce the line in the forward direction या in the backward direction we can say. ये तो backward होगा इधर. तो so this angle is 120. तो this one also 120 degree. अब एक चीज बताओ. One thing, this is 60 degree. What is its value? √3. It means sir, if you want to calculate by using the help of 120, answer will be remain same. So the value of tan 120 is also √3. इसके लिए √3 आया, इसके लिए भी तो √3 आएगा, obviously बात है. Answer is remain same. So the tan 120 is also √3. अब आपको पता लग गया, because tan 60 is √3 for this angle. तो 120 के लिए कितना होगा? जब tan 60 की वैल्यू √3 है इस साइड से, तो यहां से जो आंसर निकलेगा वो भी सेम निकलेगा. इट मींस tan 120 डिग्री इज ऑल्सो √3. तो अब डायरेक्ट इसका भी यूज कर सकते हो अगर टाइम बचाना है, या अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज द 60 डिग्री. अब आ जाओ नेक्स्ट फॉर द FE. अब FE में आ जाओ सर. व्हाट इज द थीटा? थीटा इज 120 डिग्री. ये अदरवाइज वन अनदर वर्क वी कैन डू. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एंगल? This angle is 60 degree. When you are taking theta is equal to 60 degree, so tell me what is the positive and what is the negative? 120 in the positive direction of the x-axis we are measuring. Okay, उस side को angle है, तो this will be positive. And 60 is the left side, means in the direction of the negative axis, negative x-axis. So 60 will be negative. You can do any one method. Okay, इससे भी कर सकते हो, उससे भी कर सकते हो. तो this is m is equal to tan 120 degree, and I already explained √60 is √3, so tan 120 also √3, so its value is √3. But if you want to calculate from here, एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट, गलत हो गया कुछ. 1 मिनट, यहां पे गड़बड़ हो रहा। हाँ, गड़बड़ पता क्या हो गया, यहां पे क्या आएगा, माइनस आएगा सर, सॉरी यहां पे माइनस आएगा। वाई बिकॉज दिस 120 इज इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ negative x-axis, this 120 is in the direction of the negative axis, only the angle will change but the value remains same, only angle will change, तो माइनस आ जाएगा, बस यहाँ पे प्लस रहने का भाई इतना है। दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव, तो पॉजिटिव आंसर, दिस इज नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन, तो दिस विल बी नेगेटिव, तो इट इज योर चॉइस, यू कैन डू बाय एनीवन। तो देख लो -√3 एंड इफ यू वांट टू फ्रॉम 1060 तो m इज इक्वल टू 10 minus 60 and I already explained what is that 10 minus theta, so this is minus 10 60 degree, तो answer is -√3, the answer is -√3। तो is it clear, any doubt? तो I wish you can try to solve the find the slope of AF and the slope of BC, can you solve the slope of AF and can you solve the slope of BC? and इतना पार्ट पहले समझ में आया, यस और नॉट, प्लीज टेल मी दिस पार्ट इज क्लियर और नॉट, प्लीज टेल मी सर। नजर क्या कर रहा, okay, so hope this part is clear. Now sir, this is the timing of the next class and please try to solve the AF and BC। इसमें भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसको क्या कर देना, यहां से ऐसे प्रोड्यूस कर देना, ठीक है, और इसको यहां से ऐसे कर देना, देख लेना हो जाएगा। ये एंगल निकल गया तो ये भी निकल जाएगा, ये एंगल इसकी हेल्प से निकलेगा। ट्राई करना, नहीं आएगा तो मैं बता दूंगा कल, ठीक है। तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन इन अनदर क्लासेस, ओके। नेक्स्ट, अब थोड़ा सा सर होमवर्क, प्लीज सॉल्व विद दिस क्वेश्चन, अदरवाइज टाइम बहुत ज्यादा लगने वाला है फिर, ठीक है। चलो प्लीज ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट 2-3 क्वेश्चन, okay, and tomorrow we will start from next after the third question, after the 4th 5 question, okay. So thank you for watching and please do your work